Zelle is integrated into TD Bank's app and online banking for fast, free money transfers using your email or US mobile number. Enrollment takes 2 to 5 minutes and requires a TD checking account. In the TD Bank mobile app, fastest, open the TD Bank app. Log in with your username and password or biometrics. Tap Send Money with Zelle under Pay and Transfer or search Zelle. Tap Get Started. Choose Enroll with email or Enroll with mobile number. Enter your email or US mobile number. Tap Continue. Receive a one-time verification code via email, SMS. Enter it. Review and accept the Zelle terms and conditions. Done. You're enrolled. Share your email number to receive money instantly. In online banking, tdbank.com. Log in, go to Transfer and Pay, send money with Zelle. Follow the same steps. Enter email number, verify code, accept terms.